Stay where you are.
Stay where you are. Stay where you are.
The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Naija Wike, on Thursday dismissed social media claims that he collapsed last week at an event. Wike, a former governor of Rivers State, gave the dismissal after inspecting 4 ongoing projects in the FCT.
I don't want to give credence to people who are only interested in carrying rumors. First of all, the human being, it is not a ghost that will collapse. It's human beings that will collapse if there's any problem with their health. Unfortunately, I did not.
Wike described the social media rumors as the handwork of individuals attempting to score cheap political points. The minister added that the rumors were cooked up to divert attention from the revelation made by the immediate past Rivers head of service, Judge Wike, regarding the explosion at the Rivers State House of Assembly. The minister reaffirmed his commitment to delivering on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's mandate.
Let me tell you what happened. What happened was that you see that the former head of service of Rivers State came out to let the public know what was going on. Had a plan to bomb the House of Assembly complex and had a plan to attack national assets. In order to divert attention from people not focusing on that, they have to bring one rumor that they have been flown overseas. There was not a time I collapsed, there was not a time anybody took me to that. But you see me every day. The day Mr. President broke Iftar during his birthday, I was there. The next day, I led Abuja residents to pay Salah homage. And see all those stories just died down. This is the politics. We have thick skin. Those who don't bother us. We are not distracted. We are focused on our jobs. So I thank Nigerians for being, for really worried that but people should not wish their fellow human beings such a thing to happen. We know that we will die one day. Nobody will remain in this world forever. But it's only God that says the day you will die, not any human being to say you will die today or you will die tomorrow. So nobody has said, you have seen that. I'm very happy that most of them will. I will write their condolence letters. I can assure you that I will write their condolence letters. So there's nothing like that.
NaijaNews understands that the rumors, which spread widely on X, formerly known as Twitter, alleged that Wike collapsed at an event in Abuja last Friday and was rushed out of the country for treatment. However, the minister made a public appearance 2 days later when he joined other dignitaries and Salah homage to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the presidential villa. During the visit, Wike appeared in high spirits, further dispelling concerns about his health. His media aide, Lere Olayinka, had earlier dismissed the claims as false, insisting that there was no truth to the reports. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please keep watching NaijaNews TV.